I'm only gonna... Oh, no. Oh. I'm only gonna spend... For some reason, the cameras keep going off on me the last couple stops. Okay, so... We're on... Ooh. Well, that wasn't a bird. Okay, so... we're on the outside of the wall with these. And we've got white, pink, teal, and blue. And I'm going to get closer into these real quick. That's as close as I can get. They go all the way up. I don't know if you can see this distortion that goes up and down these. Alright, well, I'm pretty much done. Have a good night, everyone. Have a great night. Great sleep. See you soon. Jerusalem. Beautiful Jerusalem. Yeah, those are behind the mountain, the dome. They're kind of far, aren't they? They're very far. Very far away. Check that out. So, rest well.